how to add your religion to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, then click these 3 points in top corner and click edit profile. Now scroll down until you find the beliefs, and here we'll find religion. Click on it and now just select any religion you want here, and then just click save, and that's it. Save it again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.